Good morning, kids. Welcome back to another video. Here we will be completing the exercise for the locating places on the earth. That is chapter 8. We'll do the complete worksheet solution. And let's move further. The first part is filling the blanks. So we have the answers on the screen, so I'll read it out for you. So latitudes and longitudes are also known as grid. So we had seen those lines which were going from north to south and east to west. So that is creating a grid. So those lines are longitudes and latitudes, and collectively it is called as grid. Now the second filling the blanks we have is the 0-degree latitude is the equator. So equator is the line which is dividing the earth in two parts. It goes through the middle of the earth. Okay, so remember, later on we have the picture where you will see all this. Okay, so moving on with the third one, the Tropic of Cancer passes through India. So remember, there is another line which is passing through India. It's a latitude which is passing through India. It is known as Tropic of Cancer. Then we have 0-degree longitude known as prime meridian. So this place is in London, which is marked as 0-degree longitude. You can take notes from here. Now I'm moving to the next question. The part B, choose the correct answer. So imaginary lines running parallel to the equator are called, so we have four options here and the option B is the correct one. The lines which runs parallel to the equator are called latitudes. And the second one is the longitudes and latitudes form a network called grid. We just did this in the question number 1. And the third one is the prime meridian is a longitude of 0-degree. This was also done in question number 1. Now moving to the next question. Match the following. So Arctic Circle, what is the measurement? 66.5 degree north latitude. Prime meridian, 0-degree longitude. Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude. Equator, 0-degree latitude. Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn, 23.5 degree south latitude. Now moving to the next question, the part D. What are latitudes? So latitudes are the imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator, and this measures the distance from north or south of it. So you can just write the first part of it, that latitudes are the imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator. That would be enough for you. The next question is, what are longitudes? So longitudes are the imaginary lines that run from North Pole to South Pole and measure the distance east to west of the prime meridian. So here also you can just write the first part, that would be enough for you at your level. Longitudes are the imaginary lines that run from North Pole to South Pole. So you can see in the picture here, I have marked latitude and longitude separately so that it would be easy for you to remember. The ones coming from top to bottom are longitudes, and the one which is parallel to equator, east to west, are latitude. Now next question. Write a short note on the important longitudes. So here is the short note. Equator, 0-degree, which divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Then we have Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. It passes through India. Then we have Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, southern equivalent. And then we have Arctic Circle, which is 66 degree 33 minutes north, northernmost significant latitude. And then we have Antarctic Circle, which is again 66 degree and 33 minutes south, and this is southernmost significant latitude. So we have the picture as well. You can refer to the picture and draw this picture at least 2-3 times to remember it. Thank you, kids.